Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make mango. It's just like Dalgona mango, fresh one. So we're going to, since we got fresh mango, instead of the Dalgona mango in the pack or one socket, we're gonna use the fresh one since we have mango. So fresh is always good, but if you want just the mango flavor, you can use the one in the packet if you don't have fresh one. But fresh is always good, so we're gonna try this time. So we're gonna show you in a little bit. Okay, my friends, my family and friends, we're making mango dalgona today. The ingredients are mango, fresh mango. If you don't have fresh mango, like I said, you can use the flavored mango, like powdered or something like that in the packet. And then 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you are like a few friends, then you can double this one. And then we have whipping cream. Okay, now we're gonna start.